Rudy Giuliani's incompetence has once again landed him in hot water with federal prosecutors, this time with the district attorney in Fulton County, Georgia. See, recently they had a hearing, what was it called? A show cause hearing, where Rudy Giuliani was supposed to show up and basically fight the subpoena that had been issued to him by that prosecutor in Fulton County. All he had to do was go into court, make his case that he shouldn't be subpoenaed, that he shouldn't have to go testify in front of the grand jury. The court would deliberate on it and make their decision. But there's a big problem. Giuliani never showed up. They had this big grand hearing for him. Everybody's waiting in the courtroom. Fani Willis is there, and then suddenly, no Giuliani. So he didn't show up to fight the subpoena. So a judge says, now you have to testify. You didn't tell us you weren't going to show up. You didn't give us any reason why you didn't show up. Because I know there's, things floating around. Maybe he's having some heart problems. Maybe he had some heart stents put in. Definitely some conflicting reports on all of this. But either way, he didn't even offer a cause saying, listen, I'm having serious health problems. I can't get down there. He just didn't go. So it doesn't matter if you try to argue any of that after the fact. You missed your court hearing, it's over. So Fani Willis, of course, has now come out and said, I have no other choice than to compel you to come and testify to this grand jury on August 9th. So we will see what happens from this point forward. But legal experts are already saying that Giuliani, unlike some of these other people that have been subpoenaed, like Lindsey Graham, Graham is not a target. Legal experts are telling us that Giuliani likely is. And Giuliani could, in fact, be facing criminal charges after this grand jury, makes their final determinations. But again, we won't know. We're not going to see Giuliani show up again until August 9th at the earliest. He is, I imagine, likely going to try to fight this still, even though he missed his show cause hearing. But what will happen in that case, because a judge has already ordered him to testify and Fani Willis has compelled him to testify, you would end up probably with an expedited court case to where it would just kind of go through appeal, done. Because of the previous rulings on this and because of the urgency with this grand jury. I don't think Giuliani is going to have much success with any of this because, again, he was given the opportunity. He could have showed up. He could have postponed it if he wanted to, if he had given them advance notice, but he failed to do it. The subpoena is out there. He's now been ordered by a judge and compelled by the DA. And I don't think Giuliani is going to get out of testifying really with any reason. So, August 9th, that's the date to remember. Giuliani could be hauled in front of that grand jury. And if he does his typical Giuliani things where he accidentally admits to things without realizing he's admitting to them, August 9th could end up being a lot of fun.
This is Hattie. Hattie wants to know why you have not subscribed to our channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a favor and subscribe.